All right, so here we are looking at the DeSoto. So the transmission that came out of it.
That came out of it.
That's the 3-speed.
This is a 3-speed too, but it's got the overdrive unit on it.
Now where did we get this from?
From the engine I bought.
That spare block.
Yeah, spare block.
That was all frozen.
Which is no
Yeah, I
good.
left it with Larry.
You did it like an
He told
anchor.
me he didn't want it back. And Larry said, "It's no good." He said, "But
I
I'll
bought
just
that
keep it."
engine just to get the head, the aluminum head.
And
Ours
it
was
was still
and
shot.
It was no good.
Right,
So I had to have a new head made.
right. But you could use the overdrive.
Yeah, but I got the overdrive unit.
And so you've opened the case up here, Tommy?
I've been
You've
clean
been through it? And
It'll
it looks good?
It's ready to go.
Oh, that's great. So how will the overdrive
Actuate then? There's a switch on the dash.
No, lever.
It's a lever.
Right here.
So it'll just be a separate lever on the floor.
There'll be a lever, a little cable on the inside the dash. It'll say OD on it. And the law is, if it's out of overdrive. You
Oh,
push
I
it
see.
in
Okay.
like that. When he pushes in, that's in overdrive.
So overdrive in just third gear or any gear?
This one splits. You can go all 3 gears. Boy, it's designed.
The emergency brake is on the back.
All right.
It's not on the rear brake.
That looks
drum.
great.
It's on the drive shaft.
Oh, here's
And
the
that's the bell housing there.
here's the air
That's the old one. The new one's still up there. I got to grind it down, smooth it up a little
the
bit.
bell housing, the old one here.
That's the original. That won't work for the other
I see.
transmission.
So this overdrive transmission would have been on the 8-cylinder as well, right? The Chrysler 8
Probably.
cylinders?
It probably would.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, there's the fan down below.
See, there's a new fan I redrilled to make it fit.
I bought that fan on eBay, and to
All right, got
replace the one underneath it, you can see the difference. The one underneath it was the original one.
Yeah, 4-blade.
It's heavy, and
This
I got
is-
this one here, which is more blades.
6 blades.
And Tommy adapted it so it'll fit.
All right.
It'll fit the water pump.
And then the bell housing, the bell housing for this transmission was broke clean in half.
For this one here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we had it. I had my friend. He's a master welder. He took it down and re-welded it.
Yeah, because you can't use that one.
Aha. So that's the one that's been repaired and that's
Yeah,
going back
this was
on.
broke too. So what happened was when they took he bought the transmission and everything. They dropped this thing. They broke the input shaft on the transmission, then broke the bell housing clean in two. And he put this on the bench and welded the whole thing back together because you cannot find one of
I was
those.
gonna say, couldn't you find another one?
No.
It's not a common product? Chrysler product?
Can't find it.
Really? Boy, that thing split everywhere.
Yep. Have a piece of chewing gum. Have some bubble gum.
All right, well, basically you just grind it down and, or is it?
I'm gonna lightly sand it and paint it black.
Yeah, and that'll be it.
And that's it, because he told me not to grind no more weld off than I had to because of where it was broke.
Oh, I
You
see.
See the crack's still in it here.
I see.
And he said he can't really, he welded it here, 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 and up here. And he said you can't stress weld it here because it'll cause it to crack.
Because it's just older, brittle metal.
Yeah.
The metallurgy isn't.
Yep.
Well, it's not really structural.
This is the release bearing for it. I already put it together, put new bearing on it. But I got to clean this up just a little bit here.
right.
Not so much this side, more this side, right there and right there where it don't hit the bearing.
Has to be set in there. The bearing has to set in there.
Because you can't find one of those either.
Wow,
It's for a T85.
I never would have imagined. Didn't they make hundreds of thousands of these Chrysler products?
You think so? But
Well, I guess they did, but they're all
they're all gone.
gone.
They're so old.
Yeah.
Not only that, but they change every year. You know, one year won't fit another year. They make little changes, and then the previous year is obsolete.
The Chrysler was bad about doing that. They wouldn't keep nothing. Like a Studebaker used everything for 25 years, identical. I could.